Welcome to our Ice Maker Showdown. Today, we're comparing two popular countertop ice makers, the budget-friendly COWSAR ice maker and the premium Aeitto ice maker. Both machines promise efficient ice production, but they cater to different needs and preferences. Let's dive into their features and see which one is the right fit for your home, kitchen, or bar. When it comes to price, the COWSAR ice maker stands out as a budget-friendly option at just $109.99, making it an attractive choice for those looking to save. In contrast, the Aeitto ice maker is priced at $199.99, which is nearly double the cost. While the Aeitto offers additional features, the price difference is significant and may influence your decision if you're on a budget. In terms of ice size versatility, the COWSAR ice maker produces bullet-shaped ice cubes in a single size, which may limit its use for different types of beverages. On the other hand, the Aeitto ice maker offers two selectable ice sizes, allowing users to choose between small cubes for cocktails and larger cubes for preserving drinks. This feature makes the Aeitto more versatile for various occasions. Portability is another important factor to consider. The COWSAR ice maker weighs only 11.75 pounds, making it easy to transport and perfect for camping or moving between rooms. In contrast, the Aeitto ice maker is heavier at 14.33 pounds, which may make it less convenient for users who prioritize portability. If you're looking for a machine that you can easily take with you, the COWSAR is the clear winner. In conclusion, both the COWSAR and Aeitto ice makers have their strengths and weaknesses. The COWSAR is an excellent choice for budget-conscious consumers who need a reliable and portable ice maker. Meanwhile, the Aeitto caters to those who desire versatility with its dual ice sizes and enhanced monitoring features. Ultimately, your choice will depend on your specific needs and preferences. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.